This is one of my favorite sounds. This is one of my favorite sounds, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Roland Blazay. If you haven't done so already, I'm gonna need you to go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. KompaKeyboardSchool.com. It's on Google for Kompa sounds. The #1 website for Kompa sounds on Google.
Something that's good for me.
Listen, when you go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com, you see Learn Kompa by Kompa Sounds. Not only do we have a beginner's Kompa course, where you can learn Kompa, you can learn the dynamics of chord progressions and scales and what they do in Kompa songs to give you the tools you need to start playing Kompa. You can also get Kompa sounds. Now, as you can see here, I got different sound packages for the Modx6. Modx7, Modx Plus, Montage, whatever it is, I have different packages for that. And if you click up here at the Kompa Sounds tab, you'll see Main Stage 3 Kompa Sounds. You'll see Roland XV5080 Kompa Card Sounds, because I still have the module. If you have the module, I have the Kompa Sounds for that. This video, we're about to go ahead and run through some of the Kompa sounds in the Modx so you guys can kind of take a look at it. Once you get the Kompa sounds, if you have any issues whatsoever, email KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Whatever the issue is, we'll get to the bottom of it. I respond quickly. Guys, we're about to run through these sounds. I sell about 6 banks. Each bank has about 500 to 560 sounds. Some synth leads, some guitars, some comp sounds. I have different sounds. We're about to run through them right now. Roland Blazay, let's take a look at these. Okay, guys, I'm about to run through a few synth leads, some of my favorite synth leads for the Modx. Let's go. This is one of my favorite sounds. This is one of my favorite sounds, guys. We do have guitar sound, guys. Go ahead and get the sound pack, guys. Go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com.